Hey, my people from YouTube. I know I've been away for a little while, but it's a lot has happened since my last video. One of the things is I finally got a stand for my phone so I can record the videos and continue helping you guys. But today I'm working on a 2015 Chevy Sonic 1.4 turbo. And what we're doing today is replacing this water inlet or outlet. I'm sorry, I believe it's the outlet. Yeah, the outlet, the water outlet gasket or housing. Customer been complaining about leak, about seeing a spot on his driveway, and well, I came across with that one leaking. So far, what I have done is just remove these hoses from it, this one and this one right here. So this one, this clamp is being replaced already. This one is the OEM clamp, and you just have to use some pliers and remove it to the side. Remove this, push it to the side away from you so it won't get on the way. Then what I did too is I removed, you don't have the back cover because the back cover is having some issues too, but I don't have the video for that one yet. I will have the video to put it back together, but that would be it. I don't have the removing part. Oh, but yeah, I mean, there is a sensor on the bottom of the housing, which is the temperature sensor, and you have to unplug it. And if the coil was there, you had to unplug the coil and unplug the O2 sensor, which the connector is right here and right here. So then what I'm doing right now, I had to remove this intake gasket, which it comes from the intercooler, because the 1.4 is turbo. She's gonna remove it. It's a 7 mils. You gotta remove. You always wanna make it twist. You always wanna twist it, because the hoses get like stuck there, and the easiest way to remove it is just try to twist it. Twist either way, and it will come loose. Now these hoses, you gotta loosen the clamp as much as you can. There you go. And then since it's a flex hose, you can do the same. Just push it to the side so it won't be on your way. You can work freely. Like I say, there is some stuff that's been replaced on this car. If you see it down there, that clamp is being replaced, because that's what they told you, that's what the leak was coming from. But it's actually the gasket right here. There's a gasket right there, a plastic gasket. But let's just remove this one for now. If the O-ring clamp was to be there, all you need is just some pliers to remove it. Like say, right here, I will use a set of pliers like this, and just try to make it twist. There you go. Smooth enough. Should be easy to do. a cash pan on the underneath. Because there's gonna be a lot of antifreeze leaking out. This is what you need. Inverter Torx 10. That's what you need to remove the 3 bolts that is holding the gasket. I'm sorry, the housing. I'll use an extension. There's one bolt right here. There's one bolt right here. And there's one more bolt right here. Save your clamp, don't lose it. Now that it's loose, you can just use your hand and get the bolts out. Well, let's speed up the process a little bit. I'm a cheat. Okay. All 3 bolts are loose. Now you're gonna push it. You see all the antifreeze leaking? And like I said, this car has been leaking. Somebody already tried to fix it and put some silicone on it, which is not gonna work. So you just wanna go ahead and get a new part from the dealer or from your part store. And today the customer provide this part. Pretty much the same. Pretty much same parts. Comes with the sensor. It's facing the other way, but you can just spin it. Facing the right way. Here it comes with the bolts. So yeah, that's how you remove the inlay housing gasket on the 2015 Sonic. So yeah, as I was saying, you can see all that. They tried to put silicone on it. Tried to fix it. But clearly it didn't work. It's not gonna work. When the gasket's out, it's out. So now I have to do some extra stuff and clean the silicone that they put. Just try for the silicone to not go inside the cavity right there, or this one right here. Gonna clean really good where the gasket touches the surface. So so that way you make sure it's gonna seal really good. You don't have to use any kind of silicone, nothing at all. It's not necessary. Alright, let me finish cleaning this and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, I remove as much and I clean the surface as much as I could. Now with some parts cleaner and some clean rag, just gonna spray some of it. Sorry, they brought me the wrong product. But what you want to use is some brake cleaner. Let me go get some and I'll be right back. Okay? And I got the right one. This time I'm using this brand. They're not paying me for it. I just use it or I use Artisan brand, but today we have this one. Let's just spray some on it and just clean the surface. Clean really good. Seal this. Okay, and it's ready. We can finally put our new part together. Like I said, it already comes with a gasket. So you can see right there. This is the gasket. You can see right there. That's the gasket. That's gonna make it sealed. It doesn't need nothing else. Now what you wanna do? There's a torque specs for this. Oh, actually the aftermarket has a different inverted torques. Has a bigger one. Let me go find it. Well, like I said, you wanna get them simple. Say there is a torque, but I know not everybody has a torque at home. So what you want to do is just get them tight. It's not really good, and then you're gonna go like a quarter of a turn, and that should be enough. That should be enough to keep it in place. And to stop it from leaking. And well, like I said, don't forget your back hose and the clamp. This one, if you leave it like that, it's gonna poke a hole on the intake hose. So what I do is just gonna bend it this way, just to keep it away from the hose. It should be good right there. Or you can cut it, either or. So, but whatever works for you best. So, but it looks somewhat clean. This has a little bit of oil, which is normal sometimes for the turbo. At the same time, it's kind of a sign that the turbo is going bad. But yeah, okay. Now we can put our hose back in place. So you use your 7 mils. Get it tight, good and tight. Now that one is someplace, now can you bring your harness back down, plug the section on the bottom, plug your O2 sensor. Should be a bracket somewhere for it, but like I said, somebody's been in here before, so now we're gonna put our upper radiator hose to it. Don't forget to tighten the clamp. Now our last upper hose, well, second to last upper hose. You just need some pliers. I use this, I love using this, I don't know why. But I love using it. There you go. That's good in place. Now there is this hose that you guys didn't see it. But it's there. And it goes right here. Goes right there on top of the housing. I usually don't remove this. It has like that you press on and remove it. But usually breaks, even if it is new. Usually breaks from here. And I didn't want to break it, so I just went ahead and should be a new O-ring on the thing. You just remove this from the old housing, which is right here, and it's holded by this clip. That's how it goes. Okay. Then this clip is holding it. You just pull it out, twist, and pull up. See how is it? Now you just put it on the new part. New clip is on it. There you go. As you can see, we're almost through with it. It's been like from start. It's like it should not take more than 30 minutes to get it done. And this is the overflow bottle that I was telling you about, guys. And this is what it goes. It is held by 210s, and it's held by 210s, and it has this thing right here that shoe falls right in this thing right here. There. See? Now you can put your 210s back. That hose back in place. I don't like these clamps at all. Yeah, I love my pliers, but the clamps, I hate these clamps. I hate them with a passion. There he is. There you go. Now this is the other hose on top to this right here. And that's how you replace the inlet, the water outlet. That's how you replace it. If you have any questions, just feel free to text me. Like I say, I know there's going to be a lot of controversial stuff and many things that shouldn't be having this open while I'm working with water and stuff. But if you're careful, as you can see, I didn't have no water in it at all. And I got the replacement part for it. It was just a little late. I couldn't wait no more. That's why I went in to go ahead and start the other part of the repair. But I got a new part, new ball cover gasket and ball cover from the dealer. See, brand new. The reason they're not replacing this one is because of this valve right here. It's broken. Stuck in there. So it needs to be replaced. Okay. That's it for me. That's it for that part of labor. Don't forget to leave a like.